Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would just show you guys some of the home updates of my apartment. It's been a while since I've filmed any like home decor content, and I have gotten a decent amount of new stuff around my home in the past little while that I thought it would just be nice to show you guys the updates. So if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. So starting off first with this entryway corner here, not too much has changed. I just added a few little decor pieces that I think are slightly different than the last time you saw it. So here I like to display all of my beautiful spring summer coquette shoes. Obviously we literally still have snow on the ground right now here in Canada. But this is me like manifesting that spring summer comes sooner. But yeah, these are all my super adorable bow themed shoes. And then here I have this new gorgeous bunny Easter shabby chic cushion that I got from HomeSense. I believe in the States you guys call it TJ Maxx. HomeSense winners, TJ Maxx, whatever you want to call it. I am literally obsessed with it, you guys. Like, I've actually stopped caring about shopping at malls, and I literally will just go to HomeSense winners any day because it's like treasure hunting. And I love anything by the brand Shabby Chic, and especially Laura Ashley. But anyways, there is that little bunny cushion. So cute. And I love that it has a fuzzy tail. I love that attention to detail. And then over here, I have added this little lamp here, and also these faux flowers that you guys have probably seen before. This super old love makes everything worthwhile sign. This used to be in the windowsill at my old condo. And this little metal dish that I like to use as a catch-all to put my keys in. And yeah, so that's everything that's new in the entryway area. Alrighty, so next I figured I'd just show you guys the updates in my kitchen. Here is the overview. Sorry guys, my kitchen actually isn't spick and span right now. I'm really busy these days and I just had to get a video up, so I apologize if it's not spotless. So here I got this new little bow towel from, once again, HomeSense winners. It's double-sided, which is super cute. I lean more towards white with pink accents rather than full-on pink these days, so I like to show it on this side. I also got a new tea towel, this one here. It actually has cats on it, which I thought was super cute, but I do kind of like the more simplistic neutrality of just the florals. And because this one has a large animal like motif on it already, I thought it was a little bit too busy to have them both have the animals on it, so I just keep them like this side by side. I also got this cute new butter dish from IKEA. I also got this amazingly useful spice rack from my boyfriend's parents, very generously gifted to me. And also I just have these adorable mini mason jars that are actually salt and pepper shakers. As you can see, there's S and P, super duper cute and mini. And also extremely generously as a Christmas gift from my boyfriend's parents, they got me this pink Smeg toaster, and it is absolutely beautiful, you guys. I mean, Smeg is so bougie. That's kind of like how you know you've made it in life, when you have Smeg stuff in your kitchen. So I never ever thought I'd have anything Smeg, so yeah, it's amazing, especially for toasting bagels. If you guys want me to do like an in-depth review on it, I can, but I don't usually review kitchen appliances, so let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. I also have this new cutting board from my boyfriend. And over here I just have this little two-tiered like cupcake tray. It's super old. I got it from IKEA years ago, but I dug it up and absolutely love putting it on the island. I also got this adorable bunny jar. It's like a glass jar with a pink bunny at the top. I got this from Walmart for like $3. And I just like to put salt inside. And then I just have these adorable shabby chic looking cushions for my chairs. I got these from Umomo years and years ago, but I just thought I would update them because I believe last time I showed you guys they were just like beige seat cushions. So yeah. Alrighty, so next we have my living room area. Not much has changed around here. I just added this like pillow here. It's like a legit pillow, not like a couch cushion, but I like to sleep on the couch a lot, and I like to have like an actual pillow when I feel like napping. And then I also got these new white wicker baskets from IKEA. They were on sale and they're super, super handy for like storage. And I also got this. I'm not sure if I had this here before, but this is also from IKEA. So I'm not sure if this was in my last video, you guys, but fun story about this. This was actually the last one of its kind. So I went to As's and let them know in IKEA, and they actually gave it to me for like a super discounted price because it was like the last one of its kind. So this item is actually like vintage, it's discontinued. So I bought like the floor model for cheap. And yeah, I just feel so special that I have like the last one of this one. I love it so much. And then I just have this little Vanilla Bean Bath & Body Works candle on it. Another new addition to my living room is actually this clock here. I absolutely love it. And also this lamp here. It's just a standing lamp with like a little reading light as well. They are both from, once again, IKEA. And then one of the most amazing additions to my apartment is this cute little bookshelf I have in the corner here. I actually put my books on my TV shelf, and this one I sort of designate for putting like decorative things, like photos that mean a lot to me. This sign I actually handmade myself. So I was actually in my cousin's bridal party last year. That's her and I right there actually. And for one of her bachelorette activities, we did a sign making class. So I made this sign. It says Anita's Happy Place. And of course there's a little pink bow. I absolutely love how it turned out. And it was so, so, so fun to do something creative like that for a change. Because it's been so long since I have done anything artsy. Because I actually do have my bachelor's degree in illustration and design, just fun fact for you guys. And I haven't done artsy things in a really long time, so it definitely was really, really fun and nostalgic to do that. And over here in this corner, we just have all the recent birthday cards I got from my dear friends this year. And as for my bathroom, I don't think that much is new around here either, guys, but I don't remember exactly, so let me just show you anyways. So here we just have yet another faux plant from IKEA, super inexpensive. I also have this coconut frosting philosophy bubble bath right here, and also this super old clock from IKEA, a hair clip here, and this lovely floral towel. Now you probably recognize it from the kitchen. This is actually a tea towel, so I know it's kind of weird that I put it in the bathroom, but I just love this print so much. Then I have some more towels here and my MEJ hairbrushes, and this little wicker basket from Michael's that carries my toilet paper. I also got this brand new Laura Ashley bath towel here, which I absolutely love. And here on the sink vanity, I just have some cotton round holders, some Bath & Body Works lotions, and this new soap I got. Super duper cute. Also from HomeSense Winners, like everything else. One of my favorite new additions to my bathroom is actually this little towel holder rack thing. Look at those bows and the gold color, just so darling. Alrighty guys, and last but certainly not least, we have my bedroom. Not too many updates here as well, maybe just a few things. So I got a few new jewelry pieces. Lately I'm way more into rose gold than silver. So I recently got these gorgeous dangling dancing heart little rose gold earrings from Swarovski, and also this rose gold heart necklace from Pandora. I also recently got this new bedding, this sheet set from Laura Ashley, once again from Winners Marshalls, which I absolutely love. There is this new friend here that I got. Another bunny by Jellycat, of course. And spanning around this way, I also got a new photo frame. I've yet to put a photo in there, but is this gorgeous little golden one with a bow at the top. It's very Love Shack fancy inspired. Once again from HomeSense Winners. I also got this gigantic laundry bin thing that I like to keep my throw blankets in because I'm obsessed with blankets. And I just love that the wicker texture just adds a lot of like color and interest to my room, because I feel like my entire apartment is very, very white on white on white. So lately I'm loving to add more like browns and woods and textures. It just adds a lot of hygge, you know? And I love that sheet set so much that I keep the packaging here just for a decor piece. And then as usual, I just have my Dior boxes stacked with my large mirror here. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this little home updates video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments down below which of these decor items were your favorite. And thank you all so very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye! Love you guys!